Today I will show you the password program which I have written. I am showing the program will show the output like this. It will show the it will not show this passwords. It will take the password and it will take the confirm password. If both are same, then it will display password registered successfully. And if both are not same, then it will display password is not registered. You see the whole video, you will get the whole program over there. You will learn the whole program. I will show the programs in C++ only. Okay, so let's see the program. Now see, in C++, I will include these 4 files, header files. These 4 files will come into work. Now I am writing the program. I will tell you what is the purpose of these files later. Enter your password first within double quotes. Then I will use a for loop to enter the passwords. For loop 0 to less than 10, because I am taking 10 characters from user. Ci equal to get ch. This get ch takes the password and it does not show the password in the screen. And if I press enter, so password will be taken completely. Now I am printing a star just after taking the password. Now at the end of the position, cursor position, I am entering \0 so that string is terminated by \0. In C++, every string should be terminated at \0. So I have entered this \0 at enter position, where user entering enter, pressing enter, computer will take enter, then it will use \0. Now I am showing the password for our purpose only. I am displaying the password. Enter password was C. I have taken password in C variable. Now confirm password. For confirming the password, I am displaying this message, confirm your password. Now same process using for loop, same as before. I am taking a j loop. Now in D variable I am taking the confirm password. Get ch, it is taking characters one by one, and same \0 \r for completing the password entered. Now I am displaying star. For each password I am displaying star here, and at the end of the loop program is complete. Now here I will check. After that I will check whether 2 passwords are same or not. So for that purpose, here I am also displaying the confirm password for our purpose only. Your confirm password was, I am showing it was in D variable, so I am displaying D variable. Now I am checking using strcmp function. C and D variable we are checking. If both are same, then it will return 0. strcmp is a string function. For that I have included string.h at the beginning of the program. Password entered successfully if it is 0. strcmp checks if both strings are 0, then it returns 0. Both strings are same, then it returns 0. Otherwise it does not return 0. It returns any other character, any other number. Confirm password does not exist if it is not 0. Then program will terminate. Program terminating. Now I am taking the output. See, confirm your password. I have given password poll2, then again poll2, matching successfully. Again I am entering password. If these are different, then it will show password does not match, program terminated. So this is the complete password program. Now I am again running it from the file, executable file, which was stored in, I have given the name password.cpp, and password.exe file one another is taken. Now I am omitting these two so that it does not show the password. if it will not show my password. You see, confirm password, it is not showing. Now again I am entering password, confirm password, it is not showing, does not match because I have not entered the password finally. So finally \n, because same line was, it was displaying in the same line, so confirm password, you see program terminator is in different line. So if you like the program, please subscribe the channel